friends. Today we're talking about polar bears. They look like they're soft and cuddly, but I don't know if you'd want to hug one of these. Let's find out about them. Polar bears. Wake up, polar bears. It's a big day. Polar babies learn to fish. Polar babies love to fish. Polar babies love to sleep. They like to sleep in the snow, which is really cold. Polar babies learn to swim. This polar baby loves to swim. He's swimming with his mom. This polar baby loves to sleep. Polar babies learn to walk on the ice. Have you tried walking on the ice? It's not so easy. I slip around when I do. This polar bear baby loves the ice. This polar baby loves to sleep. Still sleeping, must be very tired. Oh no, a big polar bear. Looks a little scary. Nope, polar babies learn to run fast away. Look, they have their claws out. Run, polar babies, run. They're very fast. Their fur blows in the wind. Polar babies run over the ice, past the fishing hole, into the water, splish splash, and back into their safe den. Now this polar baby wants to sleep. What does this polar baby want to do? Looks like he wants to go on an adventure. Another big day. Their den is inside the snow. Bye, friends.